The first thing we can see is that it actually comes with a manual, and the manual is going to tell you how to do the installation process. Another great feature about this camera is that it's waterproof, so you can actually put it or install this camera outdoors and nothing is going to happen even when it rains. The actual camera, I really like the style of this camera. As you can see, it has everything right there, inputs to charge it. It also comes with the input in order for you to put a memory card. The part for you to do the setup process and the installation process.
My network you want to connect to. Please check whether the device supports 5G Wi-Fi.
I just finished the installation process. It was very simple. It took me less than 5 minutes. The app and everything on my phone. The resolution of this camera is great. You're gonna have like multiple options right here. So going to be able to talk through this camera and also to listen what's going on the other side where you put the camera. This alarm sound, in case you just want to scare someone that is passing by. So it has white light, as you can see. You can activate the white light, take photos, a screenshot, and also to record videos. So it has night vision right there. You're gonna be able to do all of that. If you're looking for a security camera, this one is one of the best out there in the market. I totally recommend it. Installation process was very simple. The resolution is great. You're gonna be able to do a lot with the security camera. So if you're looking for one, this one is one of the best out there in the market.